Max Infrastructure Limited, an enterprise of Max Group, is the pioneer EPC contractor in power generation sector of Bangladesh. Max is also pioneer in doing EPC work to install power plant, water and wastewater treatment plant of modern techniques. In the last 3 years, Max has installed 2 modern water treatment plants of reverse osmosis technique to prepare high-quality demineralized water. One installed for Ghorashal 78 megawatt gas turbine unit and the other one for the Kushiara 163 megawatt combined cycle unit at Fenjuganj. Total EPC work of these water treatment plants, including its testing, commissioning and quality maintenance, was done by Max's own engineering resources, design specialists and experts. KPCL Water Treatment Plant. The water treatment plant of KPCL Combined Cycle Power Plant commissioned in November 2017. It is a demineralization plant of RO technique having with pre-treatment unit. The pre-treatment unit comprises 4 parallel run vertical flow traditional contact clarifiers followed by a set of 6 parallel run rapid gravity dual media pressure filters. Groundwater is used for the plant. The water contains high concentration of iron. It is removed by clarification and media filtration process to protect the condenser, cooling tower and RO membranes from iron fouling. In the treatment process, raw water supplied from deep tube wells is first received into raw water tank. From this tank, the water at the rate of 300 ton per hour is taken into 4 clarifiers with the help of transfer pumps. For the clarification process, sodium hypochlorite, polyaluminum chloride, caustic soda and polyelectrolyte are used. The clarified water by gravity flow is filtered through the set of dual media filters. After filtration, the iron is completely removed and the water becomes clear and fresh. Major portion of this filtered water is supplied to the cooling water reserve tank, from where it is delivered to cooling tower basin for condenser cooling purpose. The second prime use of the filtered water is for DM water preparation. KPCL RO plant is comprised of 3 stages connected in series. The pre-treated filtered water is refiltered by passing it through another set of 2 series connected media filters. This double-passed filtered water is fed to the RO unit via micron filter. Micron filter elevates the degree of cleanliness of RO feed water, removing the colloidal solid. The first and second stage RO eliminate almost all the dissolved minerals. On further passing the water through the third stage, eliminates the residuals. The third stage RO elevates and polishes the demineralized water quality to a stringent level. Demineralized water produced from the third stage RO is collected in DM water storage tanks. It is fed as makeup water to HRSG system of a steam turbine unit. MPL Water Treatment Plant. MPL Water Treatment Plant of Ghorashal gas turbine unit is a 2-stage RO technique demineralization plant facilitated with light pre-treatment. Its source of water is deep tube well. The plant was commissioned in mid-May 2016. DM water is used here for the sprint system of GT unit. In pre-treatment process, water supplied by deep tube well is first passed through an aero-oxidation tower to oxidize and separate out the dissolved iron. The aerated water is then filtered through a series-connected manganese filter and dual media filter, followed by an activated carbon filter. The filter beds are cleaned by backwash regularly. The carbon-filtered water is then fed to RO membranes via micron filter. Water after RO stage 1 is demineralized to about 98 to 99%, that on further passing through RO stage 2 attains desired purity level. It is stored in 2 demineralized water storage tanks and is delivered to the feed tanks of GT unit. The cartridge micron filters are replaced with new ones usually after every 10 to 15 days of use. Deposition of inorganic substances to the membrane elements is protected by an anti-scaling agent injected to RO feed water. CIP cleaning is done on the basis of some operating criteria of the membranes. KPCL water treatment plant have the facility of wastewater treatment plant to protect environment pollution. Hot wastewater comes from quenching and boiler, blowdown systems and other wastewater sources are treated here before disposal. It comprises an equalization cum cooling pit having with mixing facility by aeration from its bottom. The incoming wastewater is first collected into this pit. It is then passed through a series-connected dual media and activated carbon filters via a horizontal flow physicochemical clarifier. The filtered wastewater is collected into 2 storage tanks and disposed of, complying Department of Environment's requirement. Laboratory facility. International standard, state-of-the-art laboratory for water and wastewater analysis equipped with various modern equipment has been facilitated both in KPCL and MPL power plants. Different compositions of water and wastewater quality are tested in these laboratories. Facility for the examination of industrial oils of major petroleum products also available in both laboratories. Qualified chemists are engaged for quality analysis and quality control job. Training for the water treatment chemists and engineers are also facilitated here. A conference room is established here to conduct training, seminar and technical discussion. Not water, pure water is life.
Max Group, developing the nation.